Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make tasty milk chocolate or Milky Bar. These are very easy to make and are very tasty. I have made them using only 4 ingredients. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video and help to grow our channel. Here I have taken 6 tablespoons of milk powder, 4 tablespoons of sifted powdered sugar. The powdered sugar should be very fine. You have to sift it through a fine sieve. And here is half cup of cold pressed coconut oil. Finally, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I have listed the substitutes for these ingredients at the end of the video in the recipe. Now let's start making our chocolates. To make the chocolates, here I have placed a saucepan on medium flame. To the saucepan, I have taken some water. Place a heat resistant bowl on top of the saucepan. The water in the saucepan should not touch the bowl. Now add in your coconut oil or any other fat that you are using. Heat the oil on this double boiler until it melts. Now I am adding my sweetener. I am using powdered sugar. The texture of the chocolate depends upon the fineness of powdered sugar, so make sure to sift it very well before adding this to the double boiler. Mix this with a whisk and heat until the powdered sugar combines well with the oil. Now is the time to add in our milk powder to this. There are no substitutes for milk powder in this recipe. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon or whisk or fork, whichever is available to you. Cook them on the double boiler for up to 2 to 3 minutes or until this mixture turns smooth and silky. Make sure that there are no lumps in the milk powder before adding this to the bowl. Sift the milk powder through a fine sieve if it has any lumps. This looks ready now. Switch off the flame and add in the vanilla essence. Mix until the vanilla essence combines well into the mixture. That is it, we are done with the cooking part. Remove this from double boiler and pour the chocolate mix into silicone molds or any molds that are available to you. I have 2 fun shaped silicone molds, so I am pouring the mix into my silicone molds. Please do remember that we have made these chocolates with oil base, and as we all know that oils are liquids at room temperature, these chocolates will melt very easily. If you want your chocolates to be solid for a longer time, use cocoa butter instead of coconut oil to make the chocolates. Either way, these chocolates taste really delicious. After filling the chocolate molds with the chocolate mix, pop them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to 1 hour. This will help to set the chocolates. After 1 hour, demould the chocolates and serve them. After taking these chocolates out of refrigerator, they will stay solid for up to half an hour to 1 hour depending on the temperature in the area which you are living in. And the best part is they can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. Now who doesn't love a fun shaped little chocolate? Let me have a bite and show the texture to you. I hope you'll try this one and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!